Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I've come to Homewood, just outside the village of Northill in Bedfordshire. And this used to be a medieval fishery. And I've just come across this very beautiful little stream. Love the sound of running water, which may be the remains of the fishery, I do not know. But let's walk along the woodland trail. Listen to all the birds singing. It's very sort of wetland here. It's very peaceful and quiet. Sun's going down. Plenty of wildlife here. A Muntjac I saw. A couple of Muntjac actually, to the line. Okay. It's like the Everglades. So it's the last day of February. Does everyone, I dare to dream that spring has arrived. Hopefully I'm right. I've even got my shorts on. Sorry if that's put people off their dinner, but I'm willing spring on. Amazing. This is just about, I'd say about 5 miles up the road from where I live, and I never knew it existed. So yeah, Homewood in Northill, Bedfordshire. I hope everyone enjoys this very peaceful video, and I'll see you later.